YouTube, welcome to the second episode of Project Junkies. If you'd like, subscribe, comment, all the YouTube stuff. But today, on our second episode, still got a little car up on the lift, doing some fixing after the Autocross, and we're going to try and get out to November 3rd Autocross up Driveway 42. Had a blast there, but we got some things to fix. Start with the rims. We had these rims made. The center is the original 13-inch with the Talon brakes. Had to make them 15-inch. They look pretty cool, but as you seen in the first episode, we broke one. I've been working on today. I dug out the center. We got steel, a little bit thicker, so we're going to try a little bit thicker, and the shape changed. A lot more meat on the rim itself. So I got all this cut out and prepared. We're going to get it up on the fixture. You guys will like that. But this is what it'll end up looking like. Now I'm not sure if I'll sandblast and clear coat like I did before, or if I'll actually paint these. But that's the new style rim. The fixture, now this, it worked once. Well, it worked 4 times. So we're going to see if we can do it again. These little jacks here, 3D printed. If I measure from the table up, all 4 spots, tighten it down so it's all the same height. Everything sits down on there. In the center, you have the bolt pattern, the 4x4-inch bolt pattern, which these cars used. And then I need to measure my height. When I first did them, I didn't have the tires on, so we're going to hope the tires don't mess with this. But let's set you down and throw this rim up on and see what happens. Except the rim's not circular. There we go. And then I have these nuts here that the rim will sit on. That'll give me my height. Oop, grab that one. Yep. Make sure those seated all in the same spot in the radius of the rim. And then check to make sure this is pretty close to being the same all the way around. I'll have to spin it around and stuff. That's laser cut so it fits right in there. I'm high here, low here, so I gotta fix the nuts underneath it. But that's that. Now these bolts are not tapered at the bottom, which they should be. So you can't just whip them down and tighten them. Wiggle them around a little bit, you end up getting them centered in a hole. And then as the other two go down, you can kind of eyeball them. You know they're centered. There we go. This design's matching for the hole. You see it? And then I had the first rim, it seen I welded up, I had the valve stem in the center of this. Now the problem with that, when I welded it, I kind of cooked the valve stem a little bit. So I don't know if I want to turn it in between or make it match. I think I'm going to do in between. I ground all the old weld out. And this, you can see, spins around so I can get it adjusted in. This is tight onto this aluminum, so it should be pretty good. Everything seems good. Probably should clamp it down somehow, but we'll risk it. I think I'm going to risk it. Should be ready for a weld. There's rim. That'll do it for this video. Got 2 rims done, 2 more to go. Little car needs the oil changed and it'll be ready for the next run of Autocross. Comment below. What's your thoughts on colors? What color do we paint these?